Put a bar soap in your toilet tank today. I'm showing you a brilliant, budget-friendly hack to keep your bathroom smelling absolutely incredible 24/7 without spending a fortune on expensive store-bought deodorizers. If you want a fresh toilet with every single flush, you have to try this. What I love most about this DIY trick is that it's completely safe for your toilet's plumbing. Unlike those harsh store-bought chemical tablets that can eat away at the rubber seals inside your tank, this gentle mixture of soap, baking soda, and alcohol freshens things up completely risk-free. To start, grab your favorite bar of soap. I love using a highly scented one, or a classic fresh-smelling bar. Take a standard kitchen grater and start shredding it onto a plate. You don't need the whole bar, just a good handful of fine shavings. Look at that texture. This allows it to dissolve slowly and evenly later on. Now here is where the magic happens. We're going to supercharge this soap. First, add exactly 1 tablespoon of pure baking soda, right over the shavings. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber, so instead of just masking smells, it's actually going to neutralize them. It is honestly that simple, and it saves so much money on monthly cleaning supplies. I want to hear from you guys. What brand or scent of bar soap are you going to try first for your bathroom? Drop your ideas down in the comments below, because I'm looking for new scents to try next. Next, we're going to pour in a little bit of 91% isopropyl alcohol. Don't add too much, just enough to bind everything together. The alcohol acts as an amazing antibacterial agent, helping to sanitize the water and keep mold or mildew from growing inside your tank. Once your ingredients are in, use your hands to mix it all together and compress it. Work it until it forms a tight, solid dough-like ball, just like this. It should hold its shape perfectly. This concentrated little ball is going to act as a slow-release freshness bomb for your toilet. But how do we keep it from washing away instantly? Here's a genius hack. Take a clean, disposable face mask and use a pair of scissors to cut off one of the ends. This creates a perfect, breathable mesh pouch. Drop your homemade soap ball right inside the open pocket. Tie the pouch shut using the mask strings, and then head over to your toilet. Carefully lift the lid off your toilet tank and hang the pouch inside, securing it so it submerges in the water. Look at that. Almost instantly, it starts to release a beautiful, clean, sudsy mixture into the tank water. Put the lid back on, give it a flush, and look at that crystal clear, fresh results. Every time you flush, your bathroom is hit with a wave of freshness, and your bowl stays cleaner for longer. Try this out today, and let me know how much you love it in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for more easy home tips. Now you might be wondering, how long does this last? Depending on how often your family flushes, one of these little DIY pouches will keep your bathroom smelling incredible for about 2 to 3 weeks. Once the scent starts to fade, just pull the mask out, toss it, and pop a fresh new ball right back in. If you found this quick cleaning hack helpful, make sure to hit that share button so your friends can try it out too. Save this video for the next time you do your deep cleaning, and make sure to follow along for more elevated, everyday home tips. See you in the next video. Bye.